Good morning. This is Francis. So today, magkakaroon tayo ng discussion in terms of my first impressions sa pabango na bili ko yesterday. Alright, so kakagaling lang natin ng office and I'm very excited today because this is going to be my first impression for this perfume that I bought from Facebook Marketplace. Alright, I was lucky enough to get this perfume for a very good price. Usually I see this perfume at the 1,800 peso mark and was able to get it for a price that's less than 50% off the current market price. So I'm quite excited about this perfume kasi ang daming review nito sa YouTube and they're saying that it's a very, very good perfume. So let's go ahead and get the perfume. And the perfume that I'm talking about is this Honor and Glory from Latafa. And it says Badi Al Oud. Alright, so the seller sold this to me. Sabi niya doesn't like the scent profile, so he just decided to sell it to me. There's just a few sprays missing, so very good purchase ito, I think, kasi nga napakamura niya binenta. Okay, so let's talk about the box. It's very presentable. Para may glass lid siya sa harapan, pero this is plastic and there's carton all around. Very presentable, very nice, very classy. Alright, ang ginawa ni Latafa dito. And it says there on top, Honor and Glory, tas may Latafa, and then Badi Al Oud at the bottom. Alright, so you can see it there. Then of course at the back, meron siyang mga writing. And at the bottom, you see here the manufacturing date or date of production, right? And mine says September 2025. And expiration date is also September, but in 2030. Alright, masabi natin dito, in terms of the price, and presentation pa lang, panalo na. 1,800 pesos. Wow. I'm amazed. Truly amazed. And sa loob, pag binuksan mo yung box, meron siyang I think, ano ba ito? May card siya sa loob. Alright. And it says here, ingredients, and oh, wow. May sasabi siya top notes, heart notes, and base note. Okay, so let me just go through it. Pineapple brulee, yung top note niya. Tapos yung heart note niya, meron turmeric, cinnamon, black pepper, and benzoin. And base note is vanilla, cashmeron, and sandalwood, and moss. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at the bottle this time. Alright, ang ganda. Napaka-elegant and, you know, that extra touch, I think, is well worth the money for me. Okay, so medyo mahirap siyang kunin from the box. Okay, and in terms of the bottle itself, ang ganda ng pagka-white niya. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, pero I think on the camera medyo maputi siya, pero medyo creamy yung color niya. Right, and on the front, meron tayong writing again, Badi Al Oud, Latafa, and then at the bottom, meron Honor and Glory. Then sa ibabaw, Latafa again. And there's some writing at the bottom. Out the perfume. And ano ba ito? Natural spray and so on. Made in UAE. Alright. Ganda. Ganda pa lang. Ang ganda-ganda ng kanyang bottle pa lang. Ayan, yun nga sabi sa niya box. Tapos, the cap has some weight to it. And in terms of the atomizer, the spray, it's gold. And then yung mismo spray niya is white. Okay, so let's go ahead and see kung tama ba yung nakalagay na top notes, saka middle notes, saka dry down dito na ni Honor and Glory. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a few sprays. Of course, this has been used. So, labas na kagad yung kanyang spray. Okay, tama lang yung kanyang laki ng kanyang spray bubble and ang ganda yung pagka-spread out na kanyang liquid so far. So good. Okay. Then, let's go ahead and do our first impression. Okay. Oh, wow. Grabe. Hindi ko gaano maamoy yung pineapple, pero meron siyang konting pineapple, and as it says right here, tama nga ba yung sabi ng ating writings here, pineapple brulee. Yes, parang creme brulee nga talaga. Ang tamis. Tapos meron siyang konting pagka-citrus. Ang ganda ng combination niya. I think yung cinnamon din yung nangingibabaw. And the black pepper. Yun yung napapansin ko. And yun nga, may benzoin. So, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng kanyang pagkakablend. Okay. So, meron siyang very sweet and may pagka-boozy. Konting pagka-boozy. Alright. And I think it's more of the vanilla and the cinnamon and black pepper. Combining yung notes na natin. Pero, in terms of the pineapple notes, konti lang. Medyo hindi siya ganun ka lakas in terms of the scent ng pineapple. So, napansin ko dito yung more on the creme brulee. Yung sasabi nga ng mga reviewers na. So far, so good. Yun lang muna. I'll keep on using this perfume and then I'll let you know how long it will last on my skin and create another review for the performance of the Honor and Glory perfume. Alright, so thanks so much for watching today and I'll see you again soon. Bye!